Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making ghost coasters. The stitches in this pattern include chains, single crochets, half double crochets, and slip stitches. Here are the materials you'll need. I'll be using 8-ply milk cotton yarn in white. You'll also need black and pink yarn for the eyes and blush. For the crochet hook, I use 4.5mm for the main body and 6mm for the slip stitch border. You'll also need some scissors and a tapestry needle. Using a 4.5mm hook in your white yarn, make a slip knot. I like to twist my hook and yarn over to draw a loop. For round 1, chain 3. Work 10 half double crochets into the first chain. Slip stitch to join the round. You should have 10 stitches. For round 2, chain 2. Work 2 half double crochets into each stitch. Slip stitch to join the round. You should have 20 stitches. For round 3, chain 2. Do 1 half double crochet into the first stitch. Then increase or do 2 half double crochets into the second stitch. Repeat until the end of the round. Slip stitch to join the round. You should have 30 stitches. For round 4, don't chain 2. Do 1 single crochet. Then do 2 single crochets. Then do 1 single crochet into the next 6 stitches. Do 2 single crochets. Then do 1 single crochet. Do a slip stitch. Then finish off and cut off your yarn. For round 5, make a slip knot. Attach the same yarn at the first stitch of the increase we did in the previous round. Do not chain 2. Do 2 double crochets into the next stitch. I am carrying the tail over and weaving in the ends as I go. Do 2 double crochets into the next stitch. Then slip stitch. Repeat this 2 more times. You can leave it off as is if you prefer, but I'll be doing a slip stitch border for a cleaner finish. Switch over to your 6mm hook and do a slip stitch into each stitch. When reaching the ghost feet, do a slip stitch into the bottom row. Once you reach the end of the round, finish off the coaster. I'll be using an invisible join. Insert your needle into the front side of the next stitch, then pull through. Then, insert your needle into the back loop of the stitch we fastened off from, then pull through. Weave off ends normally. As always, I like to weave the starting tail through the first round of stitches and pull to tighten it to close up the hole. Now we'll be embroidering the face. To embroider the ghost eyes and mouth, I'll be using black yarn. For the blush, I'm using pink yarn. And we're done! Because I love these coasters so much, I even made a bigger version. Would you guys like a pattern of these as well? Let me know in the comments. Anyway, that's it for today's tutorial. Don't forget to tag me if you make these. I'm at stringbbeans on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like if you found this video helpful and subscribe if you'd like to see more from my channel. Until next time, bye!